This is interesting too, right? I don't like mulch. It takes up water and nutrition from plants, and you have to replace it so often. But without it, the weeds take over my flower beds. What can I use in place of bag mulch to keep weeds down? Thanks, and this is Deborah from Chesapeake, Virginia.
Yeah.
So, what can she use?
Pre-emergence.
Pre-emerge.
Or,
Yeah.
you know, the
Pre-emerge.
idea of mulch is to cover the surface so the weeds don't have light to germinate. That's the whole purpose of mulch. But you can help that out with landscape fabric, and you can help that out with like
Newspaper,
paper, any kind.
cardboard, you know,
Then
something
you,
else. Right?
but then you got to have a decorative top on. And I like to. This is what I do. I put landscape fabric down, and then I use either cypress or cedar mulch.
That's what I use.
Because it takes a long time to decompose, and it doesn't seem to ever put soil on top of the surface for me.
Right, me either, and it looks
So-
good aesthetically.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, it's very pleasing that way. Yeah, so I would use the newspaper, I would use cardboard, I would put the mulch on top of that. If you want to, you can put preen on it.
Yeah.
Right, so preen goes either under the mulch or it can go on top of the mulch.
Right.
Yeah, read and follow the label, I will get that watered in. I think that will work.
Yes.
I think it will work. You know, so mulch is our friend.
Mulch is our friend.
Right, we just make sure we have to use the right amount, 2 to 3 inches, you know,
Yeah.
according to most of your extension publications. Pull it away from the stem or trunk of your tree about 1 inch or so.
Right.
It works.
And the type of mulch you use is different.
and
I
the
mean,
type, right.
and you can use rocks and
right.
lava rocks and
Right.
anything else like that. There's all kinds of
Right.
mulches out there that don't decompose as fast as others.
Right, yeah, you have inorganic or organic mulches.
Right.
Right, you have options. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.